Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js GraphQL. Today we are going to learn about setting up a basic GraphQL server with the Node.js. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we have to set up a simple Node.js GraphQL API using the Express and the Polo server. Right, so Node.js we have to install that one, npm node package manager, then basic understanding of the JavaScript and the APIs you should know. Okay, so first of all, we have to initialize the Node.js project. First, create a new directory on your project and initialize a Node.js project using the following commands. So make directory will create a directory, then go to that directory and initialize a Node.js project with npm init-y. This will create a packet.json file on your project. If you go and see this one, I have the code one. This is, you can see we have this part, right? Okay, so make sure you have to do that one. And default configurations, install the required dependencies. So we have to install the dependencies, so we have to go to the Apollo GraphQL documentation. So these dependencies we have to install. So here we go with our dependencies, right? So in npm install Apollo server slash GraphQL. Make sure you have to install, copy this and go to the terminal and install that one. Okay, next one, so we have to create a new file that is touch in with the, how to create that one, touch index.js in the Ubuntu system. So it will create the index.js file here. Okay, now the code will come. Okay, so we have to import the Polo server and the alone server from the Polo server standalone and from the Polo server. Now we have to define the type def. Okay, so basically currently I'm just giving you the example only. Next videos will be completely covered the what are the resolvers, what are the mutations and everything. Okay, so this is type def, right? So here you can see that define your GraphQL schema. Okay, so here we are defining the GraphQL schema. A schema is a collection of type definitions. Okay, so basically hence type definitions, right? So it's basically type definitions, right? So here we go with that together define the shape of the queries. Okay, so basically it define how the queries would look like. Together that define the shape of the queries that are executed against your data, right? So this is that part. So here you can see that type, book, title and the author. Okay, so it is basically, you can see about the define the shape of your queries, right? Definitions, so it is type definitions done. Now we have to define the resolvers of the GraphQL. So these are the resolvers. Okay, so let's understand also the resolvers, a basic one. Okay, so this is our books one. Now define the observe resolver. So basically resolver defines how to fetch the types defined in your schema. Okay, so basically this resolver tries retrieves the books from the books array above. Okay, so basically hello, so whatever data, because here you can see that we have a hello and it's accepting the string, right? So hello, and what the string you want to use, you can go with that one. Okay, the next one, when the project is going on, like when we completing the most of the tutorials, then you will definitely understand what exactly the resolvers and what is type definition, everything you will get to know about that one. Okay, now we have to initialize the Apollo server with the schema and the resolvers. So this is type definition, this is your schema, this is your resolvers. Okay, now you have to initialize your Apollo server with schema and the resolvers. Okay, so initialize that one, then passing an Apollo server instance to the standalone server function. Okay, so what it will do, it creates the Express app, installs your Apollo server instance as a middleware, and prepares your app to handle the incoming requests. Okay, so this will go with that one, and this we have passing the server and which port you want to make it listen, and log that one, the URL. Okay, save this, run this project and open this URL. Okay, it will come like this, Apollo server. This UI will come into your browser, right? After this, here you can see that my query is coming over here, right? Hello string. So query, here you can see that if I go to my code, here you can see that the type query, and this is hello, and we pass have to string. Okay, so hello, right? So we are passing the string, and what the data we are passing, what the data we get? Hello world. Okay, so resolver for the GraphQL schema is this one. So whenever I hit this query, okay, hello, and what the data will come? Hello, and this is our string, that is hello world. Okay, so this is the response we are getting up. And here also you can see that I have also make it. Okay, test your GraphQL API. Now open your browser and navigate to this GraphQL. Your you should be see the Polo Server GraphQL playground, which allows you to test the queries interactively. Enter the following query and click the play button. The response should be like this. Okay, hello, hello world. Right, so which is coming like this. Okay, so this is how we have set up our first hello world project with the Polo Node.js. In the next video, we're trying to make it the full complete, you can say, about the what the definitions, the basics and everything, and how to fetch the data, how to mutate the data, everything. Okay, in the coming series. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.